Shush.
Who you texting?
Come on, I'm not texting. They passed they charge me.
Yo! Nah, babe, like, who you texting though? Like, seriously.
Kuz! Pastor. Kuz!
But since when, like, you start talking to the pastor though?
Every day.
You don't even go to church though.
I don't go to church. I don't go to church.
I go to church.
How you know I don't go to church?
Because I don't be seeing you.
You don't be seeing
We live together and you don't go with me.
I go to church every Sunday, baby. Oh, I don't go to church. So you gonna lie to me?
Yes.
Me don't go to church.
You don't go to church.
Oh my God, Jesus.
So you gonna lie on God like that? So who's that?
Oh, chacun soit avec
Who the fuck are you texting?
Every day you get up there texting some niggas.
Let me see.
Me?
Let me see.
The pastor.
Let me see.
He said the church coming tonight afternoon. To come
You know
to the
what?
church afternoon tonight.
You know what? You don't tell me you texting. I ain't give you none tonight though.
I'm
serious. Who you texting?
The pastor, baby. Why would I lie to you?
Cause you're a liar. You're a fucking liar. You cheated on me once.
Me never cheated on
Yes, you did.
You?
Yes, you did. Who's Jesse là?
Je suis là. Elle va filer l'église là. Filer l'église là. Le pasteur t'a prié pour lui. Filer l'église pasteur t'a prié pour lui. Où t'es là? 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 Filer l'église là pasteur t'a prié pour lui. Me love you so much.
No, you
never
don't.
cheat on you,
No,
baby.
you cheated on me once.
Me cheat on you.
Yes, you did.
Oh my God, Jesus. Me never cheat on
I
you.
will crash this car right now. I'm not even playing.
Chérie, I love my life, you know.
Who the fuck is this? I'll crash this car right now.
Chérie, pas bon mentir, chérie. Ça sent si film de
You know what?
croiser.
We're done. Get out.
Chérie.
Get out.
Get out.
No, no.
Chérie, pas dire ça, chérie.
No, get out. You're cheating. Bye.
Baby.
Let me see your phone.
Came from the bottom like a doormat, headed to the top like a cool hat. Got my team with me like New Jack.